Hello guys, welcome to Omucha Coding Hub, your new favorite spot for learning how to code step by step. Yes, and my name is Omchanchi, but you can call me Omucha, and I'm on a journey to become a top-notch software engineer. And so I created this channel to share what I'm learning, build real-world projects, and help other beginners grow their programming skills with me. Whether you are just starting out or want to brush up your skills in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more, you are in the right place. So I'll be uploading tutorials, project walkthroughs, and tips that are beginner friendly and easy to follow. So if you are ready to grow with me, you can just subscribe, hit the like button, and let's code our way to greatness. So welcome to Omucha Coding Hub, where code meets consistency. So you can just subscribe. You can just subscribe. So today I want to share simple JavaScript codes to make buttons interactive. When you click this button, when it is subscribed, it goes to subscribed. And when you want to unsubscribe, you can click it back and you subscribe out, and the button becomes unsubscribed. So I want to share a few lines of codes on JavaScript. This is just pure simple JavaScript. So I want us to do that. So there is some HTML here that you are able to see on the screen. This is HTML with the button elements, with some styling on the CSS right here, and I've attached these codes to my GitHub account, and I will post in the description. So if you want to check it out, you can just check it out. Okay, so now this subscribe button doesn't have JavaScript. Now when I click it, nothing is happening because I've removed all the JavaScript. So I want to write the JavaScript with you step by step. Okay, so first things first, we need to create to save to use DOM. Okay, so we'll use DOM to obtain our HTML element. Okay, and the HTML element that we want to control with JavaScript is this button element. And so we will use add event listener. Okay, so we'll just go straight to the JavaScript and create a variable. We can say button element is equals to, we can use the DOM document dot query selector. Okay, then we can just target our class, which is sub, from the HTML. You can see it is sub, and then we can save that. So we will use add event listener to control this button element. Okay, so we'll just say button element that we've just created dot add event listener under bracket. So on the event is click. When we click the button, a certain function needs to run, and the function, we can use an arrow function. Okay, like that. And inside the function, we can use an if statement. We can say if button element dot inner HTML is equals to subscribed, which is the initial statement. Okay, because when you go and see the inner HTML, now it's subscribed. That is the initial statement, what needs to happen is the same button element dot inner HTML should be equal to, should change to subscribed. All right, like that. And if it is subscribed, when you click on it to become subscribed, we can use an else if the same button element dot inner HTML is equals to subscribed. Okay, now the button needs to come back to subscribe, to the initial subscribe now. So you can say subscribe. Okay, yeah, so those are just few lines of code that are needed to put that functionality to make that button interactive. Okay, so when I save this code like that, then you go back to your page, you'll find that there is an error. Okay, we can just correct that. Let's find out where the error is. Okay, subscribe. Okay, button element, there is always an error somewhere, and you must know how to fix the specific error. So yeah, I've seen it. So you have not included the targeted dot here because it's a class of sub. Now when I save it, okay, and go back to my page and try to click now, you can see now it's working. Yeah, so that was the bug and I fixed it. Yeah, and that's the way to go. These simple projects, exercises are the ones that lead you to greatness. So thank you so much, and if you have any kind of question, you can just put on the comment section, and yeah, and you can subscribe and stay tuned for more. So thank you so much, guys.